This is our TrapMan Feral Cat Trap. 32 inch long, 11 inch wide, 10 inch tall. Nice and strong. Still lightweight, can just about lift it up. Setting it, push back on the lever which opens the door. Press the door to the top of the cage. Bring the lever forward that's attached to the treadle. Let go of the door, let go of the lever. Trap is now set. Favourite cat food on here, about a tablespoonful. Place it underneath the cage, directly under the tread plate. Cat walks in, stands on the tread plate trying to access the food. Strong and secure. Lift the trap up,